Hello viewers, good afternoon, depends on where you are watching me from. Hello brothers and sisters, hello my lovely one, hello. Please, I want you to share this video because we have many topics here today. We have many to speak about. Please share, invite your friends, invite your brothers, invite your sister, invite your husband, invite your boyfriend. Invite. We have a lot to speak about. Invite. I need somebody to speak to. I need somebody to talk to. Please invite. First of all, we need a little music before the program. We have a lot to speak. We have many things to speak. Please share. Invite your people, invite your friends, invite your brother, invite your sister. Please, I need to talk to somebody. Share. Invite your friends, invite your brother, invite your sisters. Okay. Network, be Sunday. I don't know what don't really know what is wrong. So, brothers and sisters, friends, viewers, please share. I need to speak with somebody. I need to talk to somebody. First of all, let me bring my business first. And this is Mary Kay Products. Mary Kay Products. Very nice products. And it's good for many things. And for me, ever since I go to Mary Kay company, I'm really enjoying it. Because I buy, I sell, I have a lot of profits. 50% when I buy and sell. And when you register to it, if you want to buy, please contact me. If you want to register to it, please contact me. I believe you join is the best. Because when you join it, you will see the enjoyment that is there. You will see the profit there. You will see the free movement we have about Mary Kay. Because what is going to be the free movement? Maybe everybody know the price of Mary Kay is shop. But when you register with them, you want to have it, you are going to have it with half price. It will not be full price. When you still buy, you want to go and sell, it's double gain. So please, my brothers and sisters, my viewers, my friends, I invite you to join. If you don't if you don't want to join, maybe you don't have interest on it to join. If you want to buy, please contact me. I used to sell it. It's direct from company. It's direct from company. Even when you contact me, I will give you everything, the novel that carry the price. I will open it, I will send it to you and see, so that you will see what I'm talking about. So my brothers and sisters, share. We have a lot to speak. We have today. We have a lot. Because I'm going to, after this hurricane, I will go to our Nigeria, our pastors. Because what I see from them, it's not so that it's not the way Jesus do it. No. But they are comparing Jesus. No. They will never be like Jesus. No. So, brothers and sisters, if you need it, please contact me. So, I want to tell you where you register, a lot of profit there. When you register it to the American company, you are going to register any amount you want. Is 2 amounts they used to register, either 59 euro or 99 euro. For me, I register with 99 euro. So when you register with 99 euro, they will bring this bag. They will send you this bag. First of all, this envelope, because my name is in before. I even made mistake to show where my name is yesterday. Here, this envelope first before the goods. Then they will post those ones to you. Then I still put some here. They will post them to you. Just from there to you. So from there, if you want to order the one you want to sell, after where you register, they will first of all have you in their website. They will open your website for you. Then everything about them, you will be seeing it. So when you want to order, you order it on your website. From there, you sell to people. That means you have contact with them. You have shop with them. So, and when you register, if you register from me, somebody register from you. There is the amount of people you will register. They will continue to pay you every month. You are going to enjoy it. You are going to enjoy it. American business, you are going to enjoy it. Well, I tell you truth, my sisters, we are playing at all, so no need to play. When you go into this, it will make you busy. It will make you move on. You will never even regret when you are doing anything. If you need anything without government help, you will see. Let us use this one to help who is feeding us before. When they see that we are doing fine, we are moving fine, no, the kind what they used to tell Nigeria, they will change from it. Apart from Nigeria, any country, anybody from Africa, try, move, get up, and join, and see what is going on there. It's free. It's free. Join and see. So I invite you people to come and join. When you need it, my brothers and sisters, just inbox number. My phone number is there. If is 015-21-466-917. I repeat again, 015-21-466-917. That is my number. You call that number. So I'm done with that. So this is what I really come for today. I just want to advertise my business first. So my brothers and sisters, I want you people to know that all those pastors, we are running up and down, we are clapping hands for. When we hear that this pastor is coming to everybody, even myself, I did it before. But when I see their background, I say, no, God may God forgive me. I will never do that in my life. Because why? Pastors, they used to take that one you have, they need it badly. When they take it, they will never know it tomorrow again. Apart from that, pastors, they are very wicked. Just look at this coronavirus problem that comes. So many pastors, they try, but a lot of them don't try. Because they have more than what they used to help people. They have thousands. So apart from they don't help, I watched one thing in my Facebook this morning. I was hearing one man, I forgot let me explain it before I play it. I need to explain it before I play it to you people. This man come out, he mentioned his name. I don't even care to know his name. He said God tell him, reveal to him to go and tell Buhari to go and meet TB Joshua, to ask TB Joshua what God said about Nigeria. My brothers and sisters, my viewers, my fellow Nigerians, if it is real, God really tell him like that. Is it somebody will go and have TB Joshua before TB Joshua will say that word? Before TB Joshua speak out the time where this coronavirus just come out, where he say 27 of March, Abi, yeah, is it not 27? Yeah, that rain is going to fall. Somebody don't force him to say it. Just look our past. Look at our pastors. God don't force you to do something. If God reveal to you, you don't do it. He know how he will warn you so that you will pick up to go and say it out. God just talk to what people used to do, to play. This is how some people use our own father, our own Edo father, the king of kings, the only king we know. They use it to play, rather God. They still use God to play now. God send you this, God send you that, God send you this. Where? If God reveal anything to you, he cannot even tell you to go and tell somebody to go and ask the other person. He will only tell you, go and tell this person. That is how I know. It happened to me once. The day it happened, I never say anything. I said, how will I just go and meet somebody? It's short. The other day it happened. That I never even know what we have never even know what is live video. For long. I was so small. Then I went to go and meet my mother. I said, Mama, see what I seen this night. My mother told me, as I described it, he said, it's a angel of God, my dear. He said, well, so let's pray over it. We continue to pray. Later, we go to this church in Lagos. What they call this church again? I forget this church. I will remember her name. The church is in Lagos, Ake Center. Because we are nearby there. We went to go and tell the pastor. The pastor said, okay, then we pray over it. Really? They continue to pray over it. That is what I know, that this one will come out. God said this, God said that, God said this, God said that. God is not a joking God. You don't joke with it. Just look at what is happening today. This is not. I believe that our evil is among now. Nobody know. We are still just dancing up and down, just misbehaving. Just they are very of coronavirus. What I watched this morning, when I see it, I can't even watch it because they dig a very big hole, long hole. The people they arranged there is more than 40. They buried them in one place, which is since I was born, I never see that kind of thing. Then we that is alive, we are just parabolating everywhere, making problem everywhere. If your sister talk to you, it will be a problem. Your brother talk to you, it will be a problem. Why? Why? We need to use our sense. We need to use our sense. Nobody in this life where you will have everybody have womb on his stomach. The day that womb doesn't see food to eat, he will bite you one day. You will rush and find food for him to eat. Because when you eat, eat. Bini use and make parable say money or anudeni fear or mahon obama gbe ewo igbe. But no, as this thing shake rich, this coronavirus problem go viral rich. It never weak my Nigeria people. Why? Even though I talk less of say the thing don't they kill for Nigeria. Even though it not even reach our country, it's killing in Europe. That Italy, I love them so much. I love them so much. May God relieve them for the bondage they are now. because Italy, they are very quiet. They don't have problem. Even though they resist for some time. No country that don't have resist. No country. If you want to start first in Europe, you start from Italy. You start from Italy. Somebody like me, I don't proud. If they are paying for €1 for flight to come Europe, who will pay for me? Nobody. But God used Italy to arrive me in Europe. Something is happening there. Just like a mass death. Not just like mass death is happening there. It don't weak us at all. Even this country we have today, it happened here. No country, even America, even though you are not there, you need to, as far as you hear it at all, you need to wake you, my brothers and sisters. You need to wake you. Because they say when somebody died, you are not crying that person, you are crying yourself. You cry yourself first. Because nobody will cry you. Anybody that is crying when you die is crying in own self. Ha! God, the day of my own, this is how it will be. We need to be sensible. We need to use our sense. Know that something is happening in the country you are, something, the people is dying. That I know that it's not black. Even though it's not black, it's human beings, God that created them. It's the soul God created. They are dying like a goat. Even though you have 10 goats now, you come one day to die once, you cannot be happy. You will not be happy. You will not be happy. They are just dying anyhow. They are dying anyhow. Do no solution. Nothing. We are just making problem here and there. Why? Why are we like this with Nigeria? Why? Eh? Please, my brothers and sisters, we need to wake up. We need to wake up. All those clapping of following pastor, clapping up and down, daddy. No. God, it's only God is the solution. It's not from pastor. For me, if I need anything from God, I go to my knees. As God sent that pastor, that is how God sent you. Everybody have his own blessing. You understand? Because of if you don't see pastor today, you can't live. They will continue to manipulate you, use you for everything. No. We need to wake up, my brothers and sisters, please. Viewers, invite. I know nobody, just talking nobody. But I know where people will watch it, it will touch them. You know, truth always be like this in our country. It's always like this. They say, who you get rapper, you just call, you get a plate, let me just call it a calabash. Maybe the calabash just break a little bit. You say, this is half calabash. Other person see, they will use it to pack that thing and throw it away because you, the owner, don't even respect it. That country we are just looking at, that one is country, let them go. People value it because we have something there. We have something. People value it. Just look at those Igbo people that is fighting for it. They are not fighting for only themselves. They are fighting for everybody. They are fighting. Because for us to take this government away from all this, I don't know what to call them, these he-goat people, to take it away from them, because they don't want it. We are happy because we are not there. Mostly we are in Europe here. Because we are not there again. I'm not there. I can't go there again. You forget you have family there. You forget you have your brothers and sisters there. Who don't have child there. You forget you have brothers, sisters, in-laws there. Why can't we show concern to that country? Why? I will continue to say these words. I will continue to say it before I will see who will answer me. Because I know you people will never answer now. You people think that I'm saying the wrong thing. I don't know, this is the topic this one. It's our country. It's the wrapper we used to cover. Today, if something is happening to you, you just run to that Nigeria. You run to our Baba or palace. You are safe. Not everything is not money. There is something that bigger than money. Also, I'm already used it to play one song that years back. Say there is something money cannot buy. Where the big men will go and ask from poor people is there. But most of us don't reason it. This thing in life, all this beauty, do this is vanity. All is vanity. First of all, now life is first. When you maintain your life, you maintain it for your children, maintain your children's future, you will see everything will be okay. The children will not suffer. If you yourself suffer a little bit, when you maintain it very well, your children will not even know the suffer at all. They will not experience it. So please, my people, let us focus in that country. Not that we are going there to go, if maybe we are the one we go and fight for the country to be okay. No, just these words of mouth and prayer, it will make that country be okay. That time we used to be quarreling, to be insulting ourselves. We use it to focus, to talk about that country. You talk about it, me talk about it, this talk about it. That country will change. Let us join these people that is fighting for Nigeria to come back. Let us join them. Because, hey, my dear, people cannot fight finish. You will say, no. If you can't beat them, you join them. So please, viewers, let's find solution to our country. Let's find solution. When in Europe, we are using 2 hands to eat today. We think the life is finished. It never finished. Little children is coming. Today conceive, we don't know where tomorrow is going to have. We don't know what tomorrow is going to deliver. Please, because you know Europe, they are a different human being. Mostly as we are just doing like this, so we will just surprise one day they will change their mind. So if you don't repair your country, where are you running to? You run to another country again? With children? I don't pray for them to say everybody go. What will you do? The country you don't repair? The home you don't repair? Eh? If there is anything we can even do from here, I will join people to do it for the country to be okay. People in chatting Biafra. They know what they are doing because of the country to be okay. For the country to come back to where we need it so that we will enjoy it. No citizen that is suffering in Europe, as far as you are Europe citizen, they are not suffering. If there is any increase in anywhere, one day, no matter the poverty that come to that country, the citizen must surely survive. But Nigeria, who know you? Who be citizen? They know you are slave. Even though they born you in front of that president. You are he call people slave. Because everything, the thing I'm hearing and the one I'm seeing in social media all the time, it make me sad for that country. It make me sad. For me, I have children there. So I don't want anything to happen to my children or my family there. I don't want. Because if something happened to them, that is, I cannot be settled. It happened in the country I'm living now. I'm not settled. I think it every day. I think about it every day. Rather, the country I'm coming from. Tomorrow when I finish, I say I want to go and reach home. If the country is not good, which home? Na bush I want go. I been a firewood I want go meet. Please, my brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigerians, may we join hands, repair them. May we forget this whoa wey we do for social media. This one quarrel go come. Instead una go bring them, make una settle them. Una go put fire. This one quarrel go come. Instead una go cut both of them, make una settle them. Una go put fire. Why? And where two people have misunderstanding, if the third one come and put fire, the quarrel will carry on again. It will not go down. Why? Even though they do anything they do with themselves before, they come to reveal themselves. It's not you people concerned at all. That is its own property. Now somebody, you don't owe anybody explanation. Maybe for me, let me just knock it. I'm talking about this Monica and Lolo matter. You people is putting fire every day. It's only one woman I just see that talk what I like there. It's lovely. I hear the name say her name is lovely. It speak like advanced women. You need to advise them. Please, my sisters, Monica and Lolo. I don't know you people before, but I be watching you. I see you in social media all the time. Even the time I watch you people last 2 years, the way you people play with the children, I love it so much. Never you let devil use both of you, please. The matter ended so that you people will have chance. Make everybody repair that our country, Nigeria. Please. People will come and put fire. Don't mind them. Don't follow that. Also, they say they talk to a Nogi of Bokimi. And as far as Lolo is Ishan, when the thing is happening, you need to tell Monica, don't do this. This is my Nogi. As I'm here, I can never friend that we continue to talk to my king anyhow. In short, I don't know. I can't take it easy with him. But not to only just warn him. Please, don't mention that word again. I don't want. My king is my king. He's the king of my country, my place. So I don't want insult to him at all. I don't want somebody to insult my father and my mother. Rather, the king that is controlling me and my own mother and my father. Why? It's now you people are quarrel. You continue to say everything. Not so, my friends. Friend is friends. No word that will tell you that will come and cut your body. Just say, I leave everything for the time we used to play. 10 years relationship is not a joke. A child of 10 years, you never know how it be. Talk less of relationship of 10 years. You people need to understand each other. Anybody you speak to, they will only laugh. They will only just put fire and go back and laugh. Please, you people settle yourself. Please. If you don't want to settle, it's not by force. But everybody their own. So this matter will go away. So that we will focus on what we are doing. We will take care of the children we have. We will have chance to focus on our country, Nigeria. Please. I'm begging you people for the name of God. I'm begging you. Because that country, no. Tomorrow we have something here. We are going to use it there. But if the country is not good, we can't use it there. We can't use it. The country now, somebody is going home from Europe now, he will be using hand to cover his head. I don't know what is going to happen. But when we speak, God will send somebody that will listen to us so that the country will be okay. Those youths that is helping them doing all these things, they will get sense one day. God will put sense on them. They will listen. Then everybody will join hand to repair the country. We cannot just leave that country like that, be making noise in another country. It's not possible. It's not good. Please. So if you have to know any third thing, you know what he said. ti o bi oni ye do ta wa so ge do do asogo me do ti era me bi je me no bi e ni ta de si o e me pa we mani na mo ya la wo na ko bo ku gbe na ya dole wo ni ji wa ge wo ni e pastor ki wo ge e police ki wo ge e soldier ki wo ge e government ki wo ge ha te ge ne gbe wo bi o kan ya ma e ke ne chana e jo mari ni ama ya ki bi ya we man re chana na we ni ya nobody know because me we mi ya we ne dia ya gbepo no gbepo yan no si logeji ti a ke si e chana ku li ya ke na ku lo ko be bayi ha e no gba in Nigeria Argentina problem Argentina problem Argentina problem e ke ni mari ria se agi ki ma we na slippers no gba e no si mana be renusun mama be gbe ni ma gbe ne gbe ma gbe ha agwa se di Nigeria gogogo a se di Nigeria gogogo a gbe na wo Nigeria gogogo wala wa gi ma si obobo ni ma je won ewe na je won ewe na le gi ni dagi e wo ni kate Obama ukugbolila ukugba no gbedo ugwe no gwedo ni mani bufi nugie oke kini azobo we no gba na e no gba oba na atola kan e na azope oba mi atope ogwa edupo give atope ise so wala wo we ra me bijeme owe we no nya mi we umati e mi no manya kan dogo o kan dogo ti e mi ya oba na wa ma mi eku na Elizabeth we ni bi e we ya gaga we ni ya velele hia ina ajero po ni la Libya iri se Libya e Gaddafi we na se ni Gaddafi re ni bi Libya ya mo Gaddafi ya mo enya hu gegege e president keka e ni hio e oba I want to send a Gaddafi to tie. Who send here for rubbish? What? Again, I don't have to against the elbow to have money. Or I get try. I may wear I sack your back a guasa loboa, a carrier. Or masak bonario, or mweke yuri. A long of us a woman and low mountain or like I walk a vassal. I may wear. Won't buy wakpa. Awa oke na ya fununu wo ewebu oke ni ya pa kan wo ewebu wa emi ni ri omo ri egbe kadori ade le ma te ka mi ase de we ni ti like social media na de ke no salo bana dori me la jan we ni gwan kan ni emi ni je me ka yo bo ojo to iwa be de kon video ni no de na emi na no ko se ni awa ya we no kile ari omo hin egbe o kile ari omo hin egbe ti na ma ni buma ye ba e why awa anu de ni fi Obama gbe wo igbe anu de ni fi Obama han Obama gbe e wo igbe since wa we ebi no saloba ya guwa o wa ya careless o wa ya ku o wa ya azakan oko wa ko sa no gi eketeni aguyo ipi out of me ipi out of me so owe mane egani je bi atawo yon we mane pe atobo we ya e mara dun ne pe ade baba e meni kia owe mo hin wo kan fin owe mane magun kan emi na yo to ne pe o de do tonbo ya je oga esunu e bi ne hin agba alerun na son ba le lo ma e bi na go adagbon erun oba agwa lo erun oba ya mi e bi ni re wa na be tin salobo ki me ki ge wa mi wala wo go bi ra mi ju wa ki ma yakobo gbe na to le bo ni se oku me e mo ni ka lo na wa se hin eji se samur pa se pronto yi se fu eji be social media wa stop wala o orun pa na wa tebe no je me bu ma ni ati e lovely ogele gun ogun e omo na akoke ha na unyaka ona re omo ere jo opa no mo se petrolio opa no pare onwa gyon e mana be wa ka ya tu na e be pisi ya ro ni ya eji ha ba ye ya mi ke na do mi abi Buhari o wi wono na we ni ya gbelegbe ya wo do ye ke gbelegbe ya re walu enwe o wala agogo walu enwe force I'm begging you people wala agogo wagi malu enwe ni maya dole boniji ya na ni gbina ye Biafra na di ya maga vi deba because Buhari ni ayen won according to den ya we Buhari ni ma oriba no me ma I don't know anything about it but daga gele miegeri ono ugwe bubu mana fun ugwe gogo maje ni ma yo ere ba ke baba we mana wala wagi mahia me nwa wagi alu enwa kakabo na wi yo fi ko gberie ni ma fi bi opa iro ho wala obiara pa bi yopa ma yaki wa ko wade omo no wiro to bi mani ne obiara pa bi yopa ma yaki ma se webo ado nwa na gbe wa ya sa me no bi gbe nwo se wa ya ri ba no obiara we why am I gonna we no ma a problem am I gonna pa yodukun a problem why I want to take governor Meroji. When me show no see keme, on our way no man progress. I will be happy with you no salupa make na wo me. Ni be mi ogo me, we gbe na na gbon we dokun me gogo. So wala gogo bi ran me jeme. E no keke ni ma ban, na mi no gba. E ki akeku gbe na, amowe gbe na just like that. Obi ju awo mi, otun awo mi, bu e ya no, o se wa awo mi, bu e ya no se me nu we na ma je me. Oga ma no kwori ba be ko e owe o la wo bi je me gu me ba so no we e o se wa awe o tun awe mi uri e yo rion u ga gun ye be ra wi igwo u ga gun ye be ra wa be no na we ona u gar uri e gene u play maturity life lile u ge ewe unwa so egbe egene de o ma ji ye ka no ma ji ye ka mu gu no but ito ene na go rubbish e no sense na kinania. They stay no. I don't wear with you. They are rubbish. They not stop. You may tell my bonnet and mammy or good one will be lie. A mammy or good one. But if I not say a video now with an aqua, you are merely anywhere or women any time. While I will. No man or wife your core. No marble why I will me while I will run with you. Please, my brothers and sisters, my viewers, I want to end this video now. I know I'm talking now, nobody. I don't see anybody to speak with here. But I know you people will come across the video. Everything I say, the one that you people like on it, please use it. The one that you don't know that I don't supposed to say this word is not good, please throw it away and still receive me as your sister. Please. I apologize. Please. Olawu. Era video. Imana si corner de. Owe mo pata mo monwa o se ko e o ki e lolo be mo ni kala wo gura ibi jeme ni ibi jeme ibi oto no edo wala ho wa mi video na wa be ri me kere ni wa kwe ko kugbe tu wa me do ka o we na ka ku o we na ka wa we na ka wo si we na ka wo si eme wa change we ni bun no si a mistake ni ya me ma like ni wa hon o se no se bo se do ahon e mo agugwa we ni awa the money go big yan e money aga kun ejo gbegbe bet why yan love egbe yan gbedagbe ni e money cool for 10 years wa ni je do scat yan yan like e bet egin yan ta mu wa wala wa file me na yakwa nu wa ge money ni asun eku because one na team man na a progress again you can't say I can no man Larry wala go a money kwa gen akuku gbe. I beg you people for the name of God wa gwale a side of we heart wa forgive egbo wa lele when that dogeta ona toge no yatota edena keku and edena kegu ya no edena keku for me wala aviemena kwa wa be seti yemena we mi ya be pon salobo wa ya ge we oni o ya odo ni no wa gbe to nya hun ni odogun egbon wa ya ge very wala wo wa seven se dress ya wa ri me nita wa ya we ne ma bo wa file ko awo wa ri me la wa no ma bo wa ya we mi wala wo iye mege Monica otemege lolo wala waya we wa kweko kugbe wa give money and love together ni akokugbe because the money we make be akakabo in love be akakabo wa hegi ya do scatter eko hiari na omagi ata oriya weko wala wo wa wese imana si kona de wa wese ra me bijeme wa wese obeki akwe. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters, my viewers. We are going to see back tomorrow again with almost the same topic because until Nigeria will be okay before I will stop. Mostly this Biafra of 18s because according to as our Nigeria condition of that Nigeria is going to now, we need to join and fight it together. For if Biafra will come, the Nigeria will be okay. Okay, we love it. No problem. So far, everything will be okay. Understand? Because for I don't know what called Buhari. I don't know if it is Fulani. I don't know where it's coming from. This is getting out of hands because Nigeria is not a I don't know what to call it. It's not a front of war. It's just like a dead zone now. There's no day that you will never see social media that they kill somebody in Nigeria. If Fulani herdsmen don't kill, police will kill. If police don't kill, soldier will kill. If soldier don't kill, kidnapper will kill. Kidnapper don't kill, armed robbery will kill. What is wrong? What is wrong? We never experienced this thing in Europe. Sister Konya never see it. So we need to join hands and take that Nigeria back from them. Please. If it is Biafra that will make that country to be okay, maybe. If it is possible, I will join them to drag it so that Biafra will take place. Everything will be okay. Then Fulani herdsmen will kill everybody finish. Buhari is Fulani herdsmen. He's the father of Fulani herdsmen. Because if not, at Boko Haram, it could have that. If not, that place ever since he come, could have do something. So we cannot continue to clap and follow them where this country is going down. It's going down. It's going down. Please, my brothers and sisters, please let's join together and take care of our country and repair that country with our words of mouth, with our prayers, in everything we support. Please, thank you very much. God bless you.